What's up, champ? Hope you're having a great day. It's another day, another video, and in this video I'm breaking down how to use your breathing in an optimal way to make sure that you're performing the best on the dance floor and in the weight room while training. All right, so let's get it. When you are standing and watching social dancing, one of the most common things you're gonna see on the dance floor, especially when it comes to beginners or people who are just starting out dancing, is that they're dancing like this. What you are doing when you're holding your breath is that you are closing all the oxygen to the body, which means that you're gonna reach fatigue a lot faster, you're gonna be less creative, you're gonna not be able to dance with as much power, and you're not gonna be able to dance for as long, which means that you ultimately will be worse off a dancer. Same thing goes when you're training. If you're breathing improperly while training, while lifting weights, the same thing is going to go there. It's going to affect your power, your endurance, your technique. You're not going to be as strong, so you won't get the most out of it. So this is how you breathe when you are dancing. For example, if you have a show that you're doing frequently, you need to know when you are pausing or when you have the slow parts in your show. When you have the slow parts in your show, that's when you are really focused on your breathing and making sure that you are staying, like recuperating and giving your body enough oxygen so you can go harder when it's time for you to go harder. Same thing when you're out social dancing. If you're social dancing, you need to remind yourself that you're breathing with your moves. So whatever move you're doing, there is a breathing to it. Right? I hope that makes sense. Now, when it comes to your weight training, whenever you are, the way I like to see it, whenever you are fighting gravity, that's when you're breathing out. So the hardest part of the move. So let's say you are doing squats, for example. If I'm doing squats, now I'm not fighting gravity. I'm just letting it fall. So I'm breathing in. Now, the hardest part is obviously for me to get up, right? And that's when I need the power. So that's when I breathe out. And I stop at the top. Same thing. Now, same thing goes with your push-ups. Here, I'm using gravity to my advantage, so I'm falling into it. I'm just breathing in. Now, I'm very much over-exaggerating, but it's not that bad. Like, try to really use the breathing to your advantage. When you're dancing, especially, like that, you're gonna be able to give more power, you're gonna be able to be more explosive, dance longer, be more creative, be more open, because you're not gonna go into a panic state. And that's exactly what's happening when you are not breathing. Let me know what you think about this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment if you're crazy, hit the subscribe button, do all of those beautiful things. Remember, as always, by dancers for dancers, and I'll see you in the next video.